shifting our focus to another big story that we are tracking this morning. Congress's veteran and Pak lover Manishankar Aiyar has put his affection on display yet again. The man who has in the past called Pakistanis the biggest asset of India and has cautioned India to respect Pakistan has no qualms in fact parting with India's enemy number one. Even as terror perpetrator Pakistan continues to foster and push terror across the borders and bleed India, Manishankar Aiyar sees nothing wrong with breaking bread with the enemy. He was seen attending an iftar party at the Pakistan High Commission in the national capital, and when we tried to ask him if he had anything to say in his defense, here's what happened.
You have arrived for iftar party in Pakistan High Commission, sir.
So one statement on
One
this,
statement on this, sir. क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर आप
So what do you have to say on this, sir? Mr. Aiyar, what do you have to say on this?
सर कुछ कहेंगे इफ्तार पार्टी में शामिल होने पहुंचे
Mr.
हैं
Aiyar, you have been advocating for Pakistan. What do you have to say on this?
You have arrived for iftar party in Pakistan High Commission, sir.
So one statement on
One
this, sir.
statement on this, sir. क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर आप
So what do you
पार्टी
have to say
में
on this, sir? Mr. Aiyar, what do you have to say on this?
सर कुछ कहेंगे इफ्तार पार्टी में शामिल होने पहुंचे
Mr.
हैं
Aiyar, you have been advocating for Pakistan. What do you have to say on this?
Now, this is not the first time Manishankar Aiyar has been seen in attendance at the Pak High Commission. Last year too, he was at the same venue. The BJP is calling this a part of the Congress's DNA to have a soft corner for Terroristan.
कांग्रेस अब आईएनसी नहीं पीपीपी बन चुकी है, पाकिस्तान परस्त पार्टी, और पाकिस्तान परस्ती का बार बार प्रमाण देती रहती है। मणिशंकर अय्यर जो कांग्रेस के सबसे निकट के हैं, प्रथम परिवार के निकट के हैं, वो इफ्तार पार्टी सेलिब्रेट करने हाई कमीशन जाते हैं, पर वो अकेले नहीं है। इनके एक और परिवार के निकट के व्यक्ति अंकल सैम तो पाकिस्तान को पुलवामा पर क्लीन चिट देते हैं। वही कांग्रेस पार्टी है जिसने सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक 370 पर पाकिस्तान के सुर से सुर मिलाया। राहुल गांधी ने स्वयं मिलाया। पाकिस्तान जो आतंकवाद की घटनाओं को अंजाम देता है, पाकिस्तान जो हमारे सैनिकों को मारता है, और आज जो पाकिस्तान आइसोलेट हो चुका है, उसके साथ कोई नहीं खड़ा, उसके साथ कांग्रेस पार्टी खड़ी है। कांग्रेस पार्टी मोदी विरोध में उतरते उतरते आज देश विरोध और देश के विरोध में जो भारत के विरोधी हैं, उनके साथ भी खड़े नजर आने में उसे कोई संकोच नहीं आता।
इससे यही स्पष्ट होता है कि भले मणिशंकर अय्यर हो या कांग्रेस का कोई भी नेता हो, इनके दिल में सिर्फ और सिर्फ पाकिस्तान के प्रति प्रेम है। इसीलिए इस बात से चिढ़ते थे जब सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक होती थी, बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक होती थी, और जब भी पाकिस्तान कमजोर होता है, कांग्रेस के नेताओं के दिल के अंदर दर्द और बढ़ जाता है। कांग्रेस पार्टी का दिल सिर्फ और सिर्फ पाकिस्तान की भलाई में है, ना कि भारत की भलाई में।
It's not the first time. It won't be the last either. We're taking you through pictures of how Manishankar Aiyar's attendance at the Pak High Commission, especially for iftar parties, has been a yearly affair. Let's show you those pictures. This happened in the year 2024. He was there. There was outrage back then too. And now you saw the pictures that came in yesterday. My colleague Sabyasachi is breaking down all the details. Sabyasachi, the BJP on expected lines is attacking the Congress over Manishankar Aiyar's love for Pakistan, which is not a new thing. Is there any defense coming in from the leader in question or from the Congress party itself?
Well, see, yesterday when we confronted Mr. Manishankar Aiyar for time and again advocating for Pakistan, see, Mr. Manishankar Aiyar did not answer a single question, because time and again we had seen that this is not the first time that he has been attending the iftar party at the Pakistan High Commission, because yesterday also when he went to the Pakistan High Commission was celebrating the National Day. So clearly this has given a lot of arms and ammunition to the BJP, which has been saying that this is in the DNA of the Congress party and Manishankar Aiyar, because whether it is the Balakot airstrike or the Pulwama attack or the terror attack in Mumbai, all of these time and again the Congress party have been giving a clean chit to Pakistan, and that is the very question which the BJP time and again has been raising. And Manishankar Aiyar
standing by to see how the Congress party will respond. Will it be a templated response of once again trying to distance themselves from the actions of Manishankar Aiyar? Thank you for joining us with those details. Viewers, it's not the first time that Manishankar Iyer has done this, but with that, it's time for us to take a short commercial break. Stay with Times Now. We'll be back with more news updates and top headlines. Taking a short break.